This car was never supposed to exist. Chrysler never built it, the rulebook never approved it, and history never saw it coming. A 1970 Valiant VG Hardtop hiding a 383 big block beast, blending Australian elegance with American muscle in a way that turns silence into shock the moment the key is turned. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you love rare muscle, handcrafted power, and machines that rewrite history rather than follow it, you're in exactly the right place. Today we're stepping into a world where Australian steel meets American displacement, where factory restraint gives way to bespoke dominance, and where understatement hides a brutally expensive secret. This is not just a classic. This is not just a build. This is the 1970 Chrysler Valiant VG Hardtop, reborn with a thunderous 383 cubic inch big block heart, and it deserves your full attention. Take a moment to absorb the silhouette. The VG Hardtop is one of the most elegant yet overlooked shapes ever to come out of Chrysler Australia. Long, low, and unapologetically clean, the pillarless hardtop design gives it a floating roofline that feels almost European in proportion, yet unmistakably muscle in intent. There's a quiet confidence to this car. It doesn't need stripes screaming down the flanks or a shaker poking through the bonnet to announce itself. Its power is implied, not advertised, and that's where the luxury begins. From the factory in 1970, the VG Valiant Hardtop was never meant to be outrageous. It was offered with the dependable Slant Six, the legendary 265 Hemi Six, and later the 318 V8. Respectable engines, yes, but nothing that would threaten the asphalt. This car, however, was never destined to remain factory correct. Somewhere along its journey, someone with vision decided that respectable simply wasn't enough, and so the transformation began. Under that long, sculpted hood now lives a 383 cubic inch Chrysler B Series big block. Let's be absolutely clear here, because legends deserve accuracy. The 383 is not a small block. It is a true big block, born in America, forged for torque, and revered for its ability to deliver brutal power with silky smoothness. Dropping a 383 into a VG hardtop isn't just a modification, it's a statement of intent. It's saying this car exists outside the rulebook. Turn the key and the world changes. The idol is deep, authoritative, almost aristocratic in its confidence. This isn't a frantic, high-strung race motor begging for attention. This is controlled violence. Every pulse from the exhaust feels deliberate, measured, expensive. The sound doesn't shout, it resonates. It fills the space around the car like a symphony conducted in low frequencies. As the revs rise, the personality of the 383 reveals itself. Torque comes on thick and early, the kind of torque that doesn't need to prove anything because it already knows the outcome. Whether paired with a built Torque Flight automatic or a stout manual conversion, the power delivery is relentless. Press the throttle, and the VG doesn't leap. It surges forward with composure, as if the road itself is being pulled toward the car. This is where the luxury of the build truly shines. A big block VG hardtop isn't about drag, strip theatrics alone, it's about balance. It's about taking a chassis never designed for this level of output and refining it until it feels factory intended. Reinforced suspension components, upgraded brakes, a properly sorted rear end, every detail matters because power without control is cheap. This car is anything but cheap. Inside, the cabin retains the unmistakable character of early 70s Chrysler Australia. The dash stretches wide, the gauges are clear and purposeful, and the driving position feels commanding without being aggressive. In a properly restored or tastefully modernized example, the interior becomes a time capsule wrapped in refinement. High-quality materials, subtle upgrades, and that unmistakable hardtop airiness make it a place you want to be, whether you're cruising city streets or devouring open highway. And that's the magic of this build. It doesn't erase the VG's identity, it elevates it. The Valiant was always a gentleman's muscle car, and this 383 powered incarnation simply gives that gentleman a tailored suit and a heavyweight punch. It's the kind of car that rolls into a show and draws in the people who know. The ones who understand what it takes to build something like this properly. The ones who lean in close, nod slowly, and smile when they realize what they're looking at. Because cars like this aren't common. Chrysler never built them this way. There's no brochure, no option code, no production number to quote. This VG hardtop exists because someone refused to accept limitations. It exists because passion outweighed practicality. It exists because true muscle culture has always been about building the car you wish the factory had the courage to produce. On the road, the experience is intoxicating. The long hood stretches out in front of you, the big block humming with restrained menace. Every throttle input feels significant. Every gear change reminds you that this is real machinery, not a digital simulation. Modern cars may be faster on paper, but they don't communicate like this. They don't make you feel connected in the same way. This VG does. And that connection is priceless. In today's market, a properly built 1970 Valiant VG hardtop with a 383 big block sits in a rare space. It's not just a classic Australian muscle car anymore, it's a cross-continental statement piece. Values reflect that craftsmanship, that rarity, that audacity. This is the kind of car that serious collectors respect and serious drivers dream about. It doesn't chase trends, it defines its own lane, and that's why this car matters. Not because it's loud or flashy or famous, but because it represents the very best of what the muscle car world stands for: individuality, engineering, presence. The 1970 Chrysler Valiant VG hardtop, reborn with a 383 big block V8, is proof that the most luxurious builds aren't always the most obvious ones. Sometimes they're the ones that whisper their greatness right up until you press the throttle. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most underrated yet brutally elegant muscle builds out there, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join the channel. We're bringing you rare metal, real history, and uncompromising builds every single time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.